Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Alright, let's review our 5 ingredients. We've got some microwavable jasmine rice, some green chili enchilada sauce, a can of seasoned black beans, some nice mini sweet peppers here, and of course, our beef. Chicken or pork or shrimp would be fine here as well. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to begin by slicing up these mini sweet peppers. These are not hot at all, so feel free to go heavy with these. If you want to use jalapenos or throw some serranos in, that's just you cooking, right? Get those into a bowl and set them aside. I'm using sirloin here, relatively low fat, not as expensive as ribeye. We're going to want to cook this very quickly to get a nice sear on the outside and leave it blushing and pink in the middle. In order to do that, you're going to want to have about a 1-inch cube. Still bite size, but allows you to get some crust without it going all the way gray in the middle. So, we're going to take a skillet over really high heat, add in some olive oil, and definitely don't want to overcrowd this pan. Put those pieces of beef in, season them up with some salt and pepper, and after like literally 90 seconds, give them a flip onto the second side, give them another 90 seconds. They're still going to be a little pink in the middle, but that is totally fine, and we've accomplished that beautiful crust on the outside. Same pan, no need to dirty up another one. Add in your sweet peppers, season those up, and we're going to stir fry those over high heat, again getting a little char on them and getting them nice and soft. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Set them aside. Go ahead and of course microwave your rice and warm up your beans and get those into a bowl together. I've really become a huge fan of this microwavable rice. I know it's a really super shortcut, but it tastes really good. We're going to add in about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of our green chili enchilada sauce to the rice and beans. Mix that together. If you need to pop this back in the microwave to warm it up before you serve it, that's totally fine, but the heat from the rice and beans for me was warming that sauce through just wonderfully. The last little step here before we serve this up is I like to toss a little bit of that green chili enchilada sauce with the beef as well, so you're getting that flavor on the outside. It also kind of mixes in with those beef juices and creates something that's more than the sum of its parts. Alright, we can bowl this up. Rice and beans are a great source of protein and very low fat, so I say pile it on. Once you've got a sufficient bed, we're going to add in our sweet peppers. Of course it goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. This is a 5-ingredient dish, but you are free to jazz it up however you'd like. Some fresh lime juice, sour cream. I'm going to grab some grass from my yard outside. No, I'm just kidding. Some cilantro and throw that down over the top. But super customizable, but a great way to get a protein-packed weeknight meal or weekday lunch in just about 15 or 20 minutes. There it is. Our green chili enchilada bowl. Let's try it. I think my favorite thing about this particular dish, the way that we prepared it, is how that beef is still nice and medium to medium rare in there. A lot of times you get these things and that beef is gray and overcooked, but I'm telling you, man, flash frying it really quickly on 2 sides is definitely the way to go. Those rice and beans have a nice flavor from the green chili enchilada sauce that we mixed in there. Super versatile, super flavorful. I hope you'll give this a try. We do appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, right? We'll see you next time. Until then, go make something delicious.